Yo, what up people, it's your boy Jinx in the building once again, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do the It Depends choreography by Chris Brown. Let's dive into it. All right, so I'll proceed further. Take note that this is the right arm. I'm gonna put it up here. This is the right, and this is the left. All right, so step number one, that you want to be on your toes, and you just open up your legs like this. All right, but then we're gonna move 4 times forward, which is the first two will have a folded arm. The next two, we want to open our arms like this. So we'll put that into consideration while you execute this. So I'm gonna demonstrate that for you guys now, and you see how it looks. And you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Moving on to the next part of the routine. Once it's stamped, we go 1, 2. Nice. Perfect. So move on to the next part. You want to keep it sexy. So tap slowly. Come here. Your right hand stays in front of you, and you just want to open your legs like this. But you go 1, bap, bam, bam, bap. 1, bap, bam, bam, bap. Going to the next step. Your left just want to go across your right. 1, and you halt. Perfect. Then we're going into 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right. So we're gonna have 2 counts. Every time you wiggle your shoulder, you count 2, then you change your pose. So for the first part, you go 1, 2. Next part, you hear 1, 2. The third part, you call 1, 2. Perfect. Finish up with the call, and we'll roll from the right to the left, and we grab that butt, and you bam, bam, bam. And it bounces you off, and you tap and stop. Now to get the hang of that, just walk your knees like so while your hand rolls. We are walking forward with that or coming forward with that. 3 steps forward and 2 breaking into sleeping. All right. So we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Then you want to keep your hands up and roll your waist. All right. And just groove till the end of the music. Perfect. So if you've gotten to this point of the tutorial, you're doing such an amazing job. If you're serious about becoming a stronger and more confident dancer, I've created training programs just for you. Whether you're just starting out or looking to push your skills further, my courses are designed to help you grow, stay consistent, and actually see progress. I help people become incredible dancers, and if you are watching this, that probably means you're next. You can check out all my programs via the link on screen. You can see it right here. Everything is there, and you can get started today. See you in class.